Hi, I'm going to show you how to change the language from English to whatever you need and back. Going to go up to your name. And you're going to pick settings. Primary language. Then you pick. You find the one that you need. I'm going to use Spanish because I understand a little bit of Spanish. Hablo un poquito español. So hit save. Y ahora, now everything on this page is going to be in Spanish. If I go back to the home screen up here, now this says my class name still, but now instead of assignments, it says tareas. This is current assignments, las próximas tareas. And this is old assignments, tareas pasadas y próximas tareas. And when it's time, you would hit start, empezar. But I don't want mine in Spanish, so I'm going to change it back to English. You can keep it in whatever language you want. So I know this is what settings, configuración. Then I'm going to go down to primary language. This time I'm going to pick English and save my changes. And now it's all in English again. So when I go back to Khan Academy, I'm back in English, okay? This is the class you're looking for, Province Stat Flannery, and then it won't say fake, it will say 1 if you're in my first spell, or 6 if you're in my sixth spell, okay? All right, that's how to change the language on Khan Academy.